Hello everyone, this is Ria. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I just want to update you about what is happening in Siem Reap right now. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of work is being done on the road in Siem Reap. Cambodia is of course famous for the Angkor Wat temple, the largest religious site in the world. Siem Reap is the modern day city built next to the incredible temples. Seeing Angkor Wat is on many people's bucket list, so millions of the tourists come to visit Siem Reap every year. It's not surprising, therefore, that with the COVID-19 pandemic, many hotels and businesses have been forced to close. The work has just begun here. This is the road to Angkor Wat. The 38 roads will be widened and paved on a budget of $150 million. Our Prime Minister Hun Sen came to Siem Reap, opened the project in November of 2020, and the work will start in December 2020. The 9 groups are working in the same time on this project, so most of the roads are blocked, but they're planning to finish this project within 13 months. If you look down here, you can see they are laying a huge pipes each side along the road. This is to improve the sewage system in Siem Reap. Most of the city in Cambodia have a river going through them. Behind me, there's a Siem Reap river. As you can see now, the water is quite low because it is in the dry season. When it's a rainy season, the water will be high and flow. And you can see a little bit litter. And part of the project with the road, the government has a plan to make the river more clean and beautiful. and see the design of what the roads should look like when they are finished. This incredible project will dramatically change the new looks of Siem Reap city. This is exciting news, not only for Cambodian people, but also for the tourists who come back to visit after COVID-19. So this is a part of tourism development master plan to transform this city to a smart city. This is a very common sight for us right now. When you're not driving down to a road for a few days, it has been replaced by a big hole when you do. There's a lot of dust on the air. When you drive, you have to wear masks. Even it's very annoying for us right now. But at the end, we hope that it will be worth it. So much for watching this video. I know that it's a little bit different from what we normally do. If you're new here, you please make sure to check out the rest of our video. We usually do a cool and interesting place all over Cambodia. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and leave comment below if you would like to know an update in the next few months. So until next time, please stay safe and take care.